Okay, it's pretty quick. Wow. Hi guys, and welcome back to Archie Hamilton Racing and to another video where today we are out and about and gonna have an awesome day ahead because I'm going to be spending some time with a mega bit of kit. As you would have seen, I took delivery of my SQ8, which I am going to collect very shortly, but today's video is slightly something a bit different, and this is a car which is 100% a competitor for the SQ8 and also a competitor for the Lamborghini Urus. This is an SQ8 ABT. You wait till you see the presence on this, the speed of it. This car would beat a Lamborghini Urus, it would beat an SQ8, and it is absolutely mind-blowingly fast. Right everybody, check this out. We're going to go for a drive in this, and this is the SQ8 with an ABT kit on it. So like I say, this is an SQ8 destroyer, it's a Lamborghini Urus destroyer. So let's talk about what it's got. So it's got this rear spoiler here, we've got these parts which are just here which look mega as well. What we also have is the rear valance as well, so just under there, which makes it sort of have a lot of presence, which is nice. I love these little parts which we have. The presence that it's got is amazing. This is a petrol, obviously there is the diesel version. We filmed the diesel SQ7 before, so yeah, I love the rear diffuser it kind of has as well, which is very cool. So it just has amazing presence, doesn't it? Look at that, it just looks insane. This also has 23-inch apt wheels, which are very cool. As you can see, the car is pretty low, and you might be thinking, why the hell is that so low? Well, that is low because this has had the suspension upgrade, so an upgrade which these guys do, and then you get the lowered suspension, and then when it goes to comfort, it will be higher and lower, but this is currently in dynamic mode. But then if we walk to the front, oh god, this honestly, wait till we go in it. So it has more power than your usual SQ8, put it that way. You can see this car has blacked out badges, you can see the apt logo there. The Audi logo is blacked out as well, and it also has a very cool front splitter, which is just going down the front, which gives the front more presence as well. And then I love these little parts, what it has also. So yeah, very cool. Let's have a look inside. Right, we have carbon on the interior as well. We've got carbon here, so you've got the carbon packs, so that's all included. And then you know when it's got the apt power, when you've got the start button with the apt logo, that's when you know mayhem is about to happen. That is a whip. Oh, it's got the noise. That is an absolute whip. Chaos. Looks mega. That. Here it comes. I mean, that is chaos. Look at this. Right, you join me. We're in this very nice SQ8 apt with Neil. We're driving along, mate. This is lovely, isn't it? Look at this. Yeah. Love the SQ8. Tell us a little bit about. So hang on. So how much brake horsepower does it have?
This particular car is a petrol, so they're great news for us. So as standard, these cars have 507 horsepower. Yeah. The previous generation was obviously a TDI, which we've covered on your channel before in SQ7, of course. So they were sort of 435, but this is essentially a detuned RS Q8 engine. So from 507 we take it straight up to 650 horsepower with the apt engine control, which is basically Urus power. So we go straight past the RS.
Is this Urus power?
Yes.
No, it's not.
Yeah, equivalent power to an Urus.
Are you joking?
No, in an SQ8.
Wow! Never realised that. That is mega. So this, okay, would this actually challenge a Urus on a drag race?
Yeah, it's the same platform car and everything else, and that's why they're such good news. I think because they're essentially with Audi, you've got lots of customers buying the RS model, lots of customers on the normal TDI, like a 3 litre, but this SQ8 is sort of a little golden gem in the middle, which kind of gets overlooked. People get tied up with the RS badge, With this particular conversion, we've essentially created an RS, probably around £20,000 less expensive than the RS and more powerful, of course.
So that's something which I do want to talk about. So if you were to buy an SQ8, you would be buying one for roughly, what would it be? 70 grand?
Something like this, about 90k.
90k, alright. For the Vorsprung, all in.
Or a decent specification with a pan roof.
Need the pan roof. Okay, so let's say 90 grand. So you get a car for 90 grand, right? And then you're like, you know what? I want to make it faster than an Urus. How much will it cost you? Another 20 and you're in?
Yeah, for this particular spec, another 20,000.
That's not bad, is it?
No, not at all.
I mean, that's and it is a lovely place to be. Like, this car has amazing presence as well. It has absolutely everything. It has that lovely exhaust control as well. But it's nice.
Well, that's it, being an SQ, you get the super sport seats anyway.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
See, we got super sport seats. And it is a lovely ride, Neil. Are we in comfort?
We are. With this particular model, we've got the suspension modification, so we can actually there's obviously full air suspension on this model. We can then raise and lower the ride height accordingly.
Yeah. So this has got. So you add the air suspension in, right?
The air suspension standard, but we've modified it with some equipment, so the dynamic setting is around 25mm lower. Okay. So yeah, it just gives it that perfect look. But yeah, lots of exterior mods. We've got the Coupe-Tech sound.
Oh yes,
on the exhaust.
The Coupe-Tech is what you might have seen on my RS6, and that's run by an app. So you can basically open the exhaust, close the exhaust, and bypass the exhaust. And it's just it's an app that these guys install on your car, and then you basically get it open or closed and everything else. Okay, it's pretty quick. Wow, wow, these are fast. Okay, these are amazing.
Fast and very smooth as well, aren't they?
Mate, honestly, this is such a smooth ride. It's unbelievable. I love it. And the presence that you have is just amazing. Okay, so if we're talking about RSQ8 then, is this faster than an RSQ8?
Yes. Yeah, 100%.
100%?
Yeah, standard RSQ8. Yeah, this is significantly faster.
Okay, so this car, SQ8, 90 grand, 20 grand's worth of app kit, and the upgrade included in that in terms of
yeah, so that's the whole lot. We've got alloy wheels.
Oh, they're included in it. You know what? That's good.
23-inch alloy wheels, front skirt. This car's like a black edition anyway, so the whole front now. We've added the black Audi rings and the badging. So yeah, the front view of the car is absolutely amazing. As you come up behind the car,
does it get a lot of attention?
Yeah, it does. Rear wing, rear lower diffuser, rear exhaust system. So none of these kind of fake tips. Like
we don't need those fake tips. We don't need that. So. Okay, and an RSQ8. The RSQ8R is actually sold out, right?
Yes,
so you can't even go and buy one. They're sold out. RSQ8S is the other one.
Yeah.
How much is that kit, roughly? If you're going to kit out an RSQ8, that must be just ridiculously fast when you finish with that.
It is, yeah, because we've got a 740 horsepower. So 700 horsepower is the first option on that, which comes as standard on that package. So the entire conversion on those, they're a very special edition car, around about the 40k mark. You then got the option to pay extra and take those to 740 PS. And of course, what you've got to remember, in that particular platform, there was a limited run of signature editions, which went up to a mighty 800. They're built in the Motorsport Centre in Kempton. So this particular platform can go up to 800 horsepower, which is insane.
I mean, that is insane. But this has been a great ride. Really, genuinely, I think the SQ8 with the kit on it is a complete game changer.
Yeah, it's a good alternative, you know. As I say, you know, we struggle to get hold of RS at the minute. They're fetching quite a bit over list price still, which is a bit of a shame.
I got an RS, Neil.
You got one?
Yeah.
Let's have a chat.
Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving the whole what you guys do, and I think it's just they're quick.
Yeah. so clean, so smooth.
3D camera on these is ridiculous as well. We're reversing. Oh, we will be.
There you go.
It is mad. Even your indicator's flashing.
Brake light.
Yeah, brake light works as well. I mean, it's chaos.
Steering on the front.
Oh yeah, look.
It's not got the kit on though, we need to revise the software.
Right, I've just jumped out of the SQ8 and I had a blast. I had an absolute blast going round in that car, and I can't believe, I was told briefly as we were driving that genuinely would beat a Lamborghini Urus, an RSQ8. It's awesome. It actually is awesome. And I love the SQ8. It's something about it. It's kind of like that middle ground, isn't it? And if you're, you know, getting cars these days at list is hard enough. So if you're out there thinking, I would love an RSQ8, but you're going to go for the SQ8 instead, but you could do like a kit, I would genuinely do it because it has the speed, it has the comfort, it has the fun factor, and I think that's the key, is that it has the fun factor in it as well. So it's even got the little app to make the exhaust even louder. That's one thing which is mega as well. So it's got the noise, it's got the presence, it's got absolutely everything, and I genuinely had an amazing time going in that. When you get your foot down, it's rapid as well. So the fact that that in itself has had all the little upgrades that would have got delivered to Apt, completely standard car, of course, and then they just turn it inside out and you have all of the special upgrades on it. You can hear it. It's got the noise and got the presence, and that's what it's all about, and that's something which I love because I personally love modified cars. To buy a Lamborghini Urus, you need £250,000, so 140 grand more than what you'd spend on this, and I genuinely think it doesn't have as much presence and fun. I've driven the Urus, I think it actually doesn't. So the RSQ8 does, obviously, I'm going to be biased on that one, but I just, yeah, had an amazing bit of fun. So make sure you check out the guys. Huge thanks for them for allowing me to experience this SQ8, and I can't wait to collect my RSQ8 now, because it's given me all sorts of ideas to go to absolute town on that car. I can't help myself. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thumbs up, comments down below. I'll see you all very soon.
We spent